Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you a fake story part 3. Actually, you know very well. If you have seen my last video, then you would know very well because I am having the practice with you. Actually, I don't have any partner and any environment, so I thought I should have made the video and I should have had the practice with you, so that's why I am here. And before starting the video, I want to tell you, when you tell your past story to another person, so that times you use only past indefinite tense, and and we use another structures, subject plus started plus with verb we use ing plus. Okay, so you can only this structure you use. Okay, so let's get started. A fake story. I have a fake story and I want to tell you, and I would like to share with you as a fake story because I am having the imaginations. Okay, and if you want to improve your communication skill, so you can use this way at your home. Okay, you can create any fake story and then you can have practice with you. So let's get started a fake story. Because I have a fake story. I was going to market, and then one boy hit me. So let's get started. Actually, I am telling my friends, I was going to market yesterday and I purchased things who want to get, and after that I was coming back my home, and I was coming at my home, and suddenly one boy came over there, and that boy hit me, and I ignored, and after that that boy hit me again, and then I stopped and I said, what are you problem? Why are you hitting me again and again? And that boy started abusing me. So that boy started abusing loudly, and then I got scared, and after that some people came over there, and that boy saw that people who was coming over there, and that boy seeing that people, that boy ran away from there, and then I got relief, and after that I came back to my home. This is a fake story. You can create any times at your home, and that you can have the practice with you. And I would like to, in the end, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like and share my video. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.